Okay, here we are in Adobe Photoshop. I'm going to go over image size with you. So we go up to here to image and pull down to image size. And you can see we have a 300 pixels per inch at the resolution, 2000 by 2500. So you can see if we change it to 72, it does drop down the height and width to smaller size there. And if we go to this resample thing, this is the kind of the clincher here if you're printing especially. So we had this, it was up at 300. I'm just going to close it. Watch, open this back up for you. Boom, there we are. And if we shut off resample, you're going to see that this changes instantly to inches, and that's because it's going to lock in the pixels per inch given how high. So right now it's 300 pixels per inch at 8 inches. So if you change this to 72, it's going to be 72 pixels per inch at 34. So it locks these two together for printing purposes. Resampling means it's going to create a new image. So that's a different story. You can go back to pixels here. You can yeah, if you can make this bigger if you wanted to, although that's not suggested, but especially in the Photoshop world. But this days and age, it's gotten a lot better. But what you want to do in that scenario is change this to say preserve details, so enlargement, and then that way it'll focus on that. So you can on enlarging. So you can toy with these and see what you got going on there. Automatic is just going to do its best, if you're making something bigger or smaller. So that's the image size dialog box and what we have going on there. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like and leave me a comment. Thanks.